Hey guys, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. That's my blog. You can learn more about me, see what I'm doing. I show all kinds of income proof on there. Basically, track my journey on there. So check that out if you want to know more about me and what I do. Today I'm going to be talking about Power Lead System. I'm going to be sharing with you my Power Lead System income proof and results. And I do this basically every Tuesday. I've been doing this for a while now. If you don't know what Power Lead System is basically a marketing tools and training platform. And it has a very leveraged compensation plan you can use, but you can also use Power Lead System just as a customer, use the tools, use the training. So some of the training and some of the tools are capture pages, sales pages, an autoresponder, contact manager, and there's much more. Share codes, all kinds of things like that. There's much more than just that. Plus there's live training every week. Almost every day of the week they have live training plus recorded training. So it's everything and anything you could ever need, no matter what you're promoting. I don't care if you're doing health and wellness, if you're doing vacations, if you're doing Bitcoin, it doesn't matter. You can promote anything you want with this program, and that's what I love about it. Because when you go to somebody and you're asking them if they're open to creating some income, and they're already in, let's say you're in a health and wellness MLM and they're in a health and wellness MLM, well, you're pretty much out of luck. You're not going to get anywhere. But if you have tools and training that can help them build their business, then they might be open to that. So it really does kind of open the gates there, it just gives you way more opportunities to put this in front of other people because it's something they absolutely need. So without further ado, I'm going to get right to my results. So we're going to jump over here to Power Lead System. Power Lead System, like I said, tools, training, email swipes. Just everything you could ever need to build your business is located in here, including training, tons of training. Endless free leads, for example. This is a free strategy that teaches you how to implement Facebook and use it as a professional, attracting people to you and connecting with them. This is what this teaches you, how to use social media in a professional manner, not an amateur manner like we see most people doing out there, a professional manner where people actually want to come and connect with you and want to work with you. Okay, so this is very powerful training, and there's a lot more training here. I'm not going to go all into this right now. I just want to keep this pretty short, but let's jump over to the commissions. Okay, so Power Lead System has a very leveraged income plan, compensation plan, and this thing can really free up your time, free up your time, provide you with more money, so you can do the things you really want to be doing. And I've been in this program since 2015, of April 2015, so just over 3 years old now because this is May 1st, and I didn't take it seriously until late September 2017. And once I understood the compensation plan, once I decided enough's enough, I'm going to make this thing work, and I decided to purchase all the products, which I'll show you in just a minute, I basically went from making $50 a month to over $1,000. Well, it jumped from 50 to 400 to 700 to over 2,000 in a week. Okay, so I didn't make 2,000 a week. That was over a three week period. And then since the new year, 2018, I have not gone below $1,000 in a week, not a month, a week, one single time. Okay, so let's just get to this. So today is, like I said, May 1st. The week started over on the 29th. Okay, and right now, currently, I'm sitting at $515. The week is just really getting going, so it's really not that much, but it's just getting going. So now we're going to jump over here to last week, and last week I did just over $2,000. And if you want to see my previous weeks, you can either look on my YouTube channel or go to my blog, paulgfarmer.com, and I have all my videos there. I've been tracking this since day one, so I'm just very transparent, and you know what you're getting when you watch those videos. Like I don't hide anything. I tell you exactly what's up. So There's no magic fairy dust here or anything like this. Just using basic strategies that are taught within our team resources, our support groups, things like that, that we have, systems we have in place that absolutely produce results. And I'll show that to you in just a little bit later. But for now, let's just go over just a few things here. So the first thing I want to point out right here is this. Okay, PLS residual commissions. Okay, residual means you get paid every month. So that is a $20. I get paid $20 on each person that joins at the gold level. Now, gold level, you come in as a customer for $30, but you really want to be an affiliate so you can earn from this leveraged compensation plan for $53.97. Now, you get $20, but that's only part of the puzzle here, part of the equation, I guess you would say. You also get 50% matches on top of all this. So whatever your team makes, so if you have a teammate that goes out and makes $1,000, you're going to make $500, and you didn't do anything. They just went to work, they plugged into the system, and you make $500 from them. Now, if they make $2,000, if you have someone else who makes $2,000, you make $1,000. So it's 50%, whatever their earnings are, and that doesn't include the extra stuff that you also get, like the passive sales and things like that. Now, at this level, this is the $100 payment. You pay $147 one time. So the $53.97 is monthly. The $147 one time, this is the diamond level. This level pays you $100. It provides you with training to teach you how to do traffic co-ops. And these really do add up. You said $475. Plus you get 25% match on these as well. 25% match. So what that means is if your team has free ad secrets, the diamond level, that means that you're going to earn $25, they're going to earn $100, okay? Just because they have it. If they don't have it, it rolls right up to you. So that really does pay off. And then the big dog here is the Social Profit Academy, the platinum level, and that pays you $400 commissions. You see I had one of those, but my team had a number of them, and I make $50 when my team, who already has platinum, gets those platinum sales. So I make $50 overrides on those. So a total, $2,010 for the week. Now, I don't know about you, but I know many, many people, if they did this a month, they'd be happy. Okay, this is week. This is a week, and this is not my highest. I've done higher in the past, but I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, so let's jump over to some of the other things that I want to cover. Let's go to getting started here. So when you come into the Power Lead system, I mean, my best advice is purchase all the products. It's like $700. We're not talking high ticket where you go and you have to spend thousands of dollars. We're talking not even $1,000 to be positioned to make the most money. Honestly, it is the best decision you can make if you want to make a full-time income online. If you want to make more income, you want to do it faster, it is the best decision you can make. Now, if all you can do is the gold level, then start where you can and work your way up. But the biggest mistake I see people make, and they make it constantly, even though I tell them they start at the lowest level. They dip their toe in the water. They want to see if it's going to work. And the proof is already there. There's no reason to see if it works. It absolutely works. It's just a matter of what do you want to do? Do you want to go slow? Do you want to make a little bit, or do you want to go fast and make a lot? Do you want those are the only questions you really have to ask. And if you want to make a lot, then you want to purchase all the products, you get all the training, and then you want to get plugged into what our team does. Okay, so let's just go over here. Actually, before I do that, let me show you just some more results here. Let me just jump over here. So right here, hopefully you can see that. This is just an example of what's going on. Okay, so these are all sales coming in. Some of them are mine, some of them are from my team. But these are just sales that are coming in, and they come in nonstop like clockwork every single day. And if you just look at the dates as I scroll through, you can see that the sales are pouring in like day after day after day after day after day. And that's all I wanted to show you there. It's very consistent, and this is what it looks like once you get this thing going. You have sales coming in like nonstop. So these are $20 sales. This is a $100 sale. That's a $400 sale. That's a $100 sale. So Some of these might be for my team where I might have 50 and 25. I'm not going to open them up right now, but you can see, I just want to show you, you can see what happens. And there's 1,258 results in there. So I can keep going and going and going all the way back to September and show you what that looks like. So let's talk about resources. Let's talk about help, because none of this helps you. There's plenty of systems out there that say they're one and done, right? Like basically, I'm not saying one and done, but they're simple. They're done for you is what I should say. And the reality is when you get into the system, the system is only the beginning, okay? The system is a tool to help you save time to get people to come into your business, like to see your business, but it's not the end all, right? It's not everything. Like people join people, not systems, okay? They join people. So just remember that when I'm talking to you about what we provide as a team. So I'm going to kick this off with Freedom Takers, okay? So you click on the link below this video, you're going to get access to this group. You can actually go to this group whenever you want to go to this group. It's called Freedom Takers. And in this group, people are posting proof all the time. We now have over 3,000 members. And people are posting all kinds of proof all the time. So here's one. Let me go down just a little bit. Jumped up for some reason. Amanda posted income proof. That's over $2,900 in 1 week. Okay. Here's someone, Andrew is welcoming a gold member. That's $20 residual income. There's another one, $20 residual income. And here's the diamond member. That's $100 is it being earned. We have a traffic co-op in this group as well, where we get great results with the co-op. It's very affordable, and we get great results. So Rufus here, got 6 gold members and 188 opt-ins from the last co-op run, which is fantastic. Fidel here has a gold member that came in. This person, Min, just upgraded to diamond. So you can see there's a lot going on here. Gold sale. Dawn here went all in. She's excited because she went all in. She's now positioned to make the most money. Very wise decision. And so forth. Ontarian here got a diamond member. And as you can see, we have many, many members that are posting their results. Here's Rich, who got a diamond member. That's $100. So as you can see, this really is very powerful. Okay, so that's one group. And there's all kinds of training. There's free training in the files section. There's all kinds of resources. Plus our traffic co-op is found in there. And that's in Freedom Takers. Okay, so the next group I want to show you is right now. See, is this the one? Yes. Right now, currently, as I'm showing you this, we have what's called a 90-day blitz going on. And basically what this means is you're going to get step-by-step training, daily live training in this blitz during this training. Okay, 90 days of training. Now, all the trainings are recorded, and to be completely 100% honest with you, if you haven't had results in the past, if you're just getting started, maybe if you have, this is exactly what you need to really start getting some results, to really start creating a full-time income online with Power Lead System. Okay, this is what you need, and the only thing you need to do, I mean, this is free. This is a bonus that we offer. These are everything I'm showing you here. These are bonuses that we offer you because we want to see you win. And all you have to do, super simple. Really, it's nothing. Gold, you got to be a gold member, and you got to be a diamond member. Okay, so that's about a total of $200. You're getting 90 days of training, live training, not just recorded training, live training where you can ask questions and really learn exactly what you need to do to make a full-time income online. Okay, that's what's being taught here. Honestly, this is invaluable. Honestly, this if I had something like this when I first started online, I wouldn't have struggled like I did. I wouldn't have. There's no way. I would have been a full-time earner very quickly, way faster than it took me. Okay, so take advantage of this. Click the link below. Make sure you upgrade to the diamond level. You want to get gold and diamond, and you get access to this group. But that's not it. That's not it. Also, at that level, I want you to know I have my own private group as well. And this is basically my inner circle. Okay, you must be a diamond member or platinum member to be in this group. And in this group, what I do is I do daily training, teaching you exactly what I do to build my business. Now, I share my resources, the tools I use, what I do. I share it all. When I learn something new, I bring it in this group. So honestly, that's just so you're going to be getting not only the diamond and platinum members 90-day blitz, but you'll also be getting access to my group where I truly want to see you win. Like, it disgusts me that so many people are failing online. It really does. It really does disgust me. It shouldn't be that way. It's not that complicated. When you have a system like we have with Power Lead System, when you have the resources we have and the training we have, there's no possible way so many people should be struggling. There's just no possible way. It's just a matter of applying what is taught and doing it, and we provide you with the training. So if you're teachable, you can get access to all of this and run with it. All right. So the very last thing I want to show you is, let me see if I got the right one here. And this is just another bonus we offer our team. This is our platinum members group. So this is for our members that are serious, that want to create a full-time income, and they want to do it fast. They've purchased every product. Okay. So they purchased the gold, the diamond, and the platinum level. So that's about a total of $700, right? That's it. And you're going to get access to all these groups plus the platinum group. Okay, the platinum group, we did a 2-week mastermind, shared very valuable training. Training absolutely is phenomenal and it works great. Plus, great resources are found within this group, and we keep adding to it as well. And you're going to get that as well. So, as you can see, Freedom Takers, our team, and myself, we want to see you win. Okay, and in my opinion, it's just my opinion and what I've seen, it's very rare to get this. It's very, very rare to get all this training, all this support in a system that flat out works, converts to sales. Because what we're doing, I'll just break this down real quick. I don't even know what minute I'm on. I know it's long. We're using a funnel. Okay, now a funnel is a capture page, a sales page, and we have emails that go out. And we're using this to capture people's information, people that are interested in making money from home, somebody like you, and then they go through the sales page. Okay, now the sales page looks like this. So they enter their email. Here's the sales page. The sales page has a nice video on it, has a good headline on it, has some information about the business and what to expect from the business. And at the very, very bottom, it has a compensation plan, how the compensation plan works. Let me just turn off this video. And at the very bottom, you have start my free trial. Okay, so yes, you get 7 days free to test drive the whole system, see what it's all about. Click on that and you're ready to go. Okay, so now if someone doesn't do that, they're going to get emails going out for about 30 days automatically, already written for you, 30 days, and those emails will keep continuing to bring them back to this video and other videos that will give them value, that will educate them on the process and show them how it will benefit them. So that's basically what we're doing here. And what we do is we do free and paid marketing, and that's really all we do, and we follow up, and that's really it. It's really not a complicated process. Okay, so if you like what you see, if you're ready to start, increasing your income, if you want to learn what it takes to make a full-time income online, all you have to do is just go right below this video, click on the link that is right there, and go ahead and get started. And if you want access to these other bonuses, like I said, just make sure you're at the levels I mentioned. And at a minimum, I really recommend Diamond because you get the 90-day blitz, plus you get access to my personal training that I do daily. Okay, so with that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do videos all the time, and I will see you on the next one.